She's stuck inside my mental. She got a body like a temple. Even though she drives me crazy, I tell everyone that's my baby.
My hair has been a little crazy recently. Hi guys, I have a delivery of some ALO yoga stuff. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and I'm going to show you exactly what I've ordered and how they fit. As someone whose algorithms are so fitness based, I have been seeing ALO yoga for quite a while. This will be the first time that I have bought ALO yoga, so I wanted to try out some of their activewear and see whether or not they are worth it. A little bit of a background on my own fitness. I am more of a runner and I do wear a lot of Lululemon, so I want to see exactly how ALO yoga compares to the Lululemon stuff that I normally wear. With exercise clothes and athletic wear, it's so important that the fit is right. So I am really hoping that the ALO yoga stuff is really good. Where I am, we don't have any ALO yoga stores, so unfortunately I can't try on anything. It will be very interesting to see exactly how the fit is. One thing that I do like quite a bit about ALO yoga is that it is quite feminine and very pretty, but it also needs to be functional. I'm hoping that these are things that I can actually wear to the gym, but I will show you in my try on whether or not I think that they're worth it as someone who exercises almost daily. I think it would be cool to do a little bit more fitness related videos, especially in my vlogs. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and yes, this is the delivery that I had. We're going to open this up and see whether or not ALO yoga is worth it. So I'm going to open this up. It tends to be a bit of a surprise every time I order something because I forget exactly what I put in my cart when I buy things. Let's see. So I have 5 items, is it? The first item that I got is the cropped ESCALATE wrap top. It is in extra small in Ivory. This one came in a pink, a black, and a white, I believe. Oh wow, it's much lighter than I thought it was going to be. I bought this top because it reminded me of one of those ballerina tops. It's super light material wise. I actually did ballet when I was little. I had so many of these tops. Maybe if this one's good, I'll buy the pink one. Thought it was going to be cotton, but it's this almost this breathable athletic nylon material. If I find out exactly what it's made out of. Oh yeah, okay, so 86% nylon. I was correct. This is the first top. I am obsessed. It is so beautiful. I tried this on and my little cousin and I both gasped when we saw it. These little, what are they called? These little gloves. The gloves. The little details where you can pop through your little thumbs. I am so obsessed. I love how you can wear them like this because if I were to be on a run, this is the perfect way to keep my hands warm. There are definitely a couple of moments where I'm on a run and these little details do help so much. I just think that they're amazing. My little cousin and I both agree that this is just so cool and they just look gorgeous as well.
It's giving Elsa vibes.
Elsa vibes?
Yeah.
So just wrap it up. Yeah, okay. So this would be how it looks. It is so beautiful, honestly. I am so happy with this purchase. Like, very happy with this one. The material feels so nice. If I were to run with this, I think it would definitely help a little bit with the wind. I feel like a ballerina. It's so pretty. So that's the first little top. Next thing I got was the AIRLIFT Goddess Bra Tank. I wanted to try things that are unique to ALO yoga or things that I haven't seen before in other athletic wear brands. I've chosen things that I don't really have because there is quite a bit of a crossover between things that ALO yoga have and other brands have. How in the world is this I am a bit confused. So this is the AIRLIFT bra tank that I ordered in black. It's very nice. It's so pretty. I could totally just wear this to brunch. So it's two parts attached. You've got the inner wear here, which is the bra that's going to hold you up, and then you've got this little singlet, I guess, over it. It's very pretty. The bra here, as you can see, has a little bit of this ribbing and it's quite thick. It also has padding here as well. I'm going to try and run in this and see whether or not it holds me up and supports me. It just looks like that. I think it's very cute. It's the two top in one. This is the goddess bra top tank. The AIRLIFT street tank. I bought it because I've never seen something like this, but I don't know how to feel about it. I thought it may be my fault for buying the wrong size, but this one was the smallest size. After checking, I realized that I did buy the small size. I thought that there could have been one more lower in the size rank, but this one is the smallest and it's still a little loose, if I'm going to be honest. If you guys are a little bit on the smaller side, it might not be a good go. There is a little bit of room here, which I'm not 100% excited about. This is about $92, so for $92 I would want something that fits me really well and really snug. I'm not 100% satisfied. This top doesn't really reassure me that this top is going to be amazing at the gym either, unfortunately. There's just so much fabric left here, which unfortunately is not something that I'm happy with. The bra part as well at the top is a little bit loose.
It looks really interesting because there's like two tops.
Right? But I thought that would be really cool. Pro is that it is adjustable with the straps, but honestly, I think that it needs to be a little bit more supportive. I also think this could just be a lounge top, if I'm completely honest. Maybe if I was doing a very low impact exercise, it would be a good fit, but nothing too intense with this one. Ooh, okay. So I did not expect this to look like this. This one is the seamless ribbed low back bra. It's in ivory and it looks like this. I mostly bought this for the back, but I didn't expect it to look like this, if I'm going to be honest. Maybe if I were to do a light exercise or if I were to do a light workout, this would probably work, but definitely nothing high intensity. It doesn't seem like it's going to have a lot of support. I don't know how I feel about it. It doesn't have any cups, so I feel as though I'm not as supported as I would like to be in this top. It's definitely a cute loungewear top. I bought this with the intention that I was going to exercise and run in it, but I really don't think that it's possible for me to run in this, honestly. A pro is that it's not thin, so it's not see-through at all, but at the same time, I'm not confident that this will hold me if I were to go for a jog. It looks really good with, for example, these leggings. These are some Lululemon leggings, by the way. The straps are a little bit tight and they're not adjustable either. Because I did intend on running in this, I'm a little disappointed. For the price that it's at, I don't know if it's worth it, especially if you're just looking for a white top. I saw that the girl on the ALO Yoga website was wearing it with one of their leggings. I assumed that it was going to be a workout top, but I'm not too sure whether or not you would want to work out in this. Maybe after a couple of wears, it will loosen up a little bit, but like I said, I'm not 100% confident that it's going to be the best fit for me when working out. Next thing. Next one. Oh, okay, I was very excited about this. So these are the pants that I was the most excited about. They are the pants and I just think that they're so epic. They're low-waisted and when it comes down it's a boot cut here. This one is probably the one that I was the most nervous about sizing wise. I'm praying that this fits really well. Quite long actually. Surprisingly, it's quite thick. I got these in an extra small. I was tossing between an extra small and an extra small, so I hope that it will fit quite well. The quality of these are quite good. They are a little, maybe a tad long. If I were to take them in, I would take them in just a tad. Oh, this is the SUPERNOVA bodysuit. I am so excited about this. This one I saw quite a bit on Instagram when it first came out. There are a couple of other colors that this came in, but I thought that the black and white is just a classic. And I love the little zip. I think it's so pretty. Kind of looks like a bathing suit. I don't know if I would work out in this at all, but definitely a really cute going out top, maybe to a little lunch with my friends. I would style this more so if I were to go out than to exercise, but it'd still be really cool to see how it fits. Performance ready, airbrush fabric, sweat sesh approved. Just not too keen on the idea of exercising in a bodysuit. I think that would be a little bit too uncomfortable. I did check out a lot of reviews for this one. Apparently a lot of the lighter shades show a little bit too much. I'm hoping in the black it's not too see-through, but I guess we'll have to try it on and see.
Yes.
How pretty is it?
I think it looked that good.
Right? Okay, this one's a 10. I'm very impressed with this one. These are my baggy jeans, so I thought it would give a little bit more of an edgier look, but oh my goodness. So I did order this one in an extra small. I was very scared that it was not going to fit. It was either going to be too tight or it was going to be way too loose, but the fit is perfect. It's probably the best fit out of everything that I've purchased from ALO YOGA. It's so pretty. Like, that's just what it looks like from the back as well. I just think it's so cool. Definitely a really cute little flirty element that's added with the little zip. I definitely see how the lighter colors might be see-through, but the black looks so beautiful in my opinion.
That's my favorite.
I think this is my favorite too. Even though ALO YOGA claims that you can work out in this, I don't think I would. That's also just a personal preference thing. I'm noticing that a lot of ALO YOGA stuff is a little bit more athleisure than it is athletic wear. A lot of the things that I've tried on thus far are mostly things that I would lounge in or go to lunch in rather than work out in, but I guess it also depends on the intensity of your workouts and what you're looking for in athletic clothing. I'm so pleased with this. This one was $84 Australian.
That's not too bad.
It's not too bad compared to that other tank top, which I wasn't 100% fond of. Alrighty, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the little video. If you guys want to see more, please let me know. I hope this video was a little bit helpful if you're looking into buying some ALO YOGA clothes. I hope to see you in my next video, whether it's a vlog or another haul. And yeah.